What's up, YouTube? Here's a pretty cool device that turns your glasses, your XR or AR glasses, completely wireless. So this is one of those Amazon finds. I found it on Amazon and I decided to purchase it to see what this thing really is about. So this is an HDMI video receiver with a built-in battery as well as 3 ports. This port right here is where you will connect your glasses. This here is where you will connect an HDMI, and this here is where you will connect the power source. Now the way this thing works is, let's say you have one of your glasses. This is the Ranio GT Max, right? And you wanted to plug it into something like an iPhone, but an older iPhone that doesn't have the USB-C video output, right? And you want to use this on a plane or whatever, for whatever reason you want to connect it to this device right here, but you don't have the adapter. All you have to do is literally connect your glasses to this device right here, and then from your phone you just wirelessly cast onto this device. It has a button on the back that allows you to toggle to different modes. So one mode is for like Apple and iPhones, and then the other one is for Android, Windows, or any other source. But this is where you toggle the different mode. You can see the button right here, but you can basically connect from here any video into this right here, and it will stream it wirelessly, and there is very minimal delay. This thing is simply incredible. So for those of you that don't have phones with the display video output ports, this is a must-have. If you don't already have something like the Beam Pro, the Pro Neckband, or the Roccat AR Lite, if you just don't have any of those, or your computer also does not have a USB-C video output, you can simply use this device right here. Now I find that it gives the best experience you will absolutely get is using something like a Samsung phone. The reason is because not only does Samsung have a DeX, I mean, well, if you have a Samsung phone, then you would typically have a video output. If your phone does support DeX, you're already gonna have a port. But let's just assume your phone doesn't support display video output, or for some reason you just don't want to be connected wired. Your best experience is going to be using Samsung DeX. Now, if you don't use Samsung DeX, you still have another casting mode. With Samsung, you have this mode right here called Screen View. Why this is different from other phones is with Screen View, what it does is it maximizes your output display and it shrinks your phone display. That way you can closely match your aspect ratio. It basically gives you the biggest aspect ratio in the glasses while minimizing this one, and you can turn the screen phone off with Samsung's Smart View and it will still keep on showing with this. But with DeX, then you take it to another level. With DeX, then you can use this as a mouse. But once again, it does work with any other phone that supports casting. I have already tried this with the Pro Neckband from Viture. It works. I have tried it with the extra Beam Pro. With this Beam Pro right here, it works. I have already tried it with the Apple phone. It works. And I've already tried it with my computer. It also works. This also means that if you have something like the Xtreal One S, you can actually connect to this. Not only could you adjust your display sizes, you can actually turn on Real 3D. So you can stream anything in Real 3D. This is not something that you would be able to do if you have a device that you would not be able to plug your glasses into. So another benefits of having 2D to 3D conversion native on the glasses. Now here's the best part about it. While you're using this wired to the glasses, now obviously there's a limit. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but let's just say it's dying. Well, there is a second port at the bottom to charge it, so you can charge and play, charge and stream at the same time with your phone free to stay charging as well. Now I have this massive power bank. This is absolutely one of my favorite power bank. Not even one of. This is absolutely my favorite power bank ever. I don't know if it's still being sold on Amazon, but if it is, I'm gonna link it below. But with this right here, it has an output of 140 watts, 45 watts, and 22 watts. I can connect to my PC and charge super fast while at the same time charging two other devices. I have never seen a power bank like this. But once again, if it's still available, I'm gonna link it on in the description. But basically, I mean, you can use any power bank, or just use an outlet. But basically, you connect one side to the glasses, and then you connect the other side to power, so this one can keep recharging at the same time. But once again, it is completely self-powered. It has a battery built in. It's just that if it's starting to die, you can keep that charge. Honestly, this is one device that I wish I had years ago. Now, alternatively, if you have an X-Real device, you could just simply go ahead and buy the X-Real Beam. This is the original X-Real Beam, the OG. I actually had it on like an hour ago. But you can use the X-Real Beam, and it basically gets the same thing, but you get a bit more with this because it is self-contained. It can also do streaming and casting. But if you don't have an X-Real device, or even if you do have an X-Real device, and for whatever reason you don't want to get this, because once again, it's probably going to be a lot cheaper because it's been out for years now and it has all the same ports. No, well, minus the HDMI port, but with the X-Real Beam, you can connect to wirelessly, or you can connect via video output cable right here. But basically, this right here is a very, very good alternative that I just happened to find on Amazon, and I purchased it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.